He spent the whole week watching the market. No trades, no profits. But what he learned in those days changed the way he sees trading forever. During this season of pressure and quiet rebuilding, another part of his life was also evolving: trading. For most of the week, he sat in front of the charts, watching, not trading, just observing. At first it felt strange. Every time he opened the market, something seemed slightly off. On the 15-minute chart, a bullish break of structure would appear. It looked like the perfect signal to buy. But moments later, the market would reverse. Then another setup would appear, this time suggesting a sell, and again, the market would turn the opposite direction. Earlier in his journey, he would have jumped into those trades immediately. Buy when someone says buy, sell when someone says sell. But something inside him had changed. Instead of reacting, he paused. He stepped back and asked himself a simple question. What is the 4-hour chart actually saying? And the answer was clear. The market hadn't decided yet. So he did something many traders struggle to do. He waited. He watched as the market took early buyers, then he watched it come back and take early sellers. Up, down, confusion everywhere. But for the first time, he wasn't frustrated. He smiled. Because now he could see the traps before they happened. Then one day something finally appeared, a strong push in the market, a clean break of structure. On the 15-minute chart, a powerful displacement move that left an imbalance behind. Later, the market returned to rebalance that imbalance and then continued exactly in the direction the structure suggested. He didn't take the trade, but strangely, that didn't bother him. Because for the first time, he truly understood the story the market was telling, and that realization meant more than a quick profit. Before this month, he was mostly looking for signals. Someone would say buy, and he would buy. Someone would say sell, and he would sell. But one day he asked himself a simple question. What happens when the signal stops? Because a tutor can show you the rope, but only you can teach yourself how to climb. So this month he made a quiet decision. He would watch, not force trades, not chase profits, just learn. And in only a few weeks, he started noticing things he had never seen before. Noisy markets, bearish weeks, bullish weeks, fake breakouts, real moves. Slowly the chart stopped looking like random lines. It started telling a story. Trading was not as complicated as the internet made it look. Not easy, but simple. A clean setup becomes obvious. A bad setup feels forced. He knew he was still learning. He was not rushing to make money yet, because when the time is right and when the skill is ready, the results will follow naturally. There was no big profit, but there was something more valuable, understanding. And sometimes that is the beginning of everything. Alhamdulillah.